Good morning, guys. Man, I know it's been a long time. Things are just insane at work. Um, just haven't been home very much. And yeah, I'm gonna start tinkering, probably on the razor a little bit this morning. Um, it's midweek. I'm home for a couple more days, but got a lot of work to do. So it's early in the morning. Think I'm gonna do some tinkering. I still gotta get stuff off. I'm ready for powder coating. I did send the motor out for vapor blasting, so I did that last week, and so excited to see what that looks like when it comes back. Yeah, and thanks for everybody that's hanging in there, and I appreciate everybody watching. And yeah, let's see what we can do this morning. Yeah, so this is where we left off. I got to take off this broken trailing arm. I got to pull all the suspension off. So I want to get the springs and A-arms and everything powder coated. I want to go through the bushings. It's jammed in here. I got a company that's going to put a steel beam in here so I can get rid of these posts. They're supposed to be here this week. As you can see, I dug out this stuff just one night this week, and I gotta start going over it. So you'll see a video on that. I forgot to grab the camera to video me getting this stuff started the first time after sitting in the trailer all winter. Got the mower out, mowed the lawn a couple times. Yeah. Shop's a little mess right now, so yeah, well, let's get things cleaned up and rearranged and see if we can get some of the suspension off. I only have, hour and a half or so this morning to putter on this. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Hey guys, springtime's almost here. Hopefully the trails open up soon, and I'd like to get some good riding videos this year. There. That's bent, that's easy enough to fix. There, that's off. See if we can get that axle hub out. What do you guys think? Do you think that Rhino axle is worth rebuilding? Leave a comment down below if you think it's worth rebuilding. Looks like it just pulled apart and just needs a new boot ring, but I don't know. We'll get it all out and check it out. I should have took that intake down there to get it vapor blasted too. Yeah, oh well. Alright. Let's get this rear shock here off. Also, has any of you guys ever rebuilt shocks? I've been watching some videos on it, like going in the airplane and stuff, trying to see if it's something that I should try doing myself, or what you guys think. Probably got that camera in the way, guys. Sorry. There, that's a big old heavy shock. All right. the only brake line that has been cut. All the other brake lines are cut on this thing. Sorry guys, right in front of the damn camera here. Yeah, front suspension's out. More mysteries. More bolts missing. This one's gonna take a while, guys. I really got screwed on this deal. But can't worry about that now. We'll just keep working on it, replacing stuff, and yeah. It'll be a long project, but once we're done, it'll be nice. Oh, what do I have for time? Running out of time already. Well, guys, I think that's going to be it for today's video. Like I said, I only had just an hour or so here this morning. But we got the rear suspension off, that's a plus. Gotta get that torn down. I got the new trailing arms, well, used trailing arms, but get that stuff powder coated. Get that shock torn down. Get the spring off it. I got the other shock in the trailer. Needs a new end on the bottom. I gotta order that from Walker Evans. My goal is to get the rear suspension done and reassembled. I'm trying to get this into a roller so we can easily move it around better while I'm waiting on the engine stuff. But like always, guys, really appreciate all you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps. I'm hoping things slow down and I can get back on a regular, normal, weekly basis on videos. I got something I'm working on a deal to get another machine. Like, I really need another one, but hopefully you guys will see that in the next video. It's gonna be a fun thing to have, and yeah, thanks guys, and we'll see you on the next one.